Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's me Rose here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add email address on your Snapchat app. Firstly, you need to open your Snapchat app. Make sure that you have logged in into your account. On the top left corner, tap on profile icon. Then after that, you need to tap on gear icon on the top right corner of the screen. When you get access to your My account, then here you get the options of email. Tap on it. When you enter your email address, this makes it easier for you to recover your account for you and your friends to find each other on Snapchat and more. Let's enter our email address. After that, you need to tap on save. For your security, you need to enter your password. Then after that, tap on continue and you will be sent a verification email to you. You need to open the link to finish verifying your address. Here you can see your confirmation email address. Now here you need to confirm your email address. Let's tap on confirm email. And here you can see we have successfully added email address on our Snapchat app. I hope this tutorial helped you. And if you are new to our channel, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon. And thanks for watching.